Are you struggling to get your YouTube channel noticed? Want to rank higher on Google and drive more traffic to your videos? Look no further, because we're here to unlock the secrets of SEO and skyrocket your channel views. What is SEO, you ask? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's all about improving your website, or in this case, YouTube channel, so it appears higher in search engine results. And when you rank higher on Google, your channel gets more visibility and more clicks. So how can you master SEO for your YouTube channel? The first step is keyword research. Find out what people are searching for and incorporate those keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help Google understand what your video is about and increase its chances of appearing in relevant search results. Next, optimize your video's metadata. This includes your thumbnail, video length, and subtitles. Eye-catching thumbnails and shorter videos tend to perform better. And don't forget to add subtitles, as they not only improve accessibility but also make your content searchable by search engines. But SEO isn't just about optimizing your content. You also need to build a strong foundation for your channel. This means creating a consistent brand, engaging with your audience, and promoting your videos through social media and other platforms. The more your content is shared and talked about, the higher it will rank on Google. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process. It takes time and effort to see results. But with these SEO secrets, you'll be well on your way to boosting your Google ranking and skyrocketing your channel views. So start implementing these strategies today and watch your YouTube channel thrive. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more SEO tips and tricks. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions. Happy optimizing!